Today I made me a little cage to haul my piggies to the butcher shop in. It's a pretty simple build actually. I was gonna borrow it. Originally I was gonna build something like this, and then I figured I would just borrow one off a friend of mine, and I thought, well, maybe I'll buy one. And I priced how much they cost, and they're pretty freaking expensive. I built this here for under $200, so this will work just good. So basically all it is just hog panels. I bought 2 hog panels and 28-foot 2x4s. I had the screws, so that didn't cost me nothing. I need to put a gate on the front of it yet. I'm not sure if I'm gonna make it go up or make a door. I don't know yet. But I'm not gonna put that on it for now. But right now I'm gonna put it inside the pig's pen, just like it is, and start feeding them in this for about a week or so. And then in about a week or so, I'll mount it to my trailer, and I'll put the whole thing in the pigsty. That way they can get used to climbing up in there and eating inside this. That way they're used to this when we take them to the butcher shop. So I'll have about 2 weeks to work with them to get in this. This is pretty good size. It's 6 foot by 4 foot. It probably fit the bed of a pickup. Might be a little bit too big to fit, too wide to fit the bed, but it'll be really close.
And he just has it on the wagon
right now. It's just sitting on a wagon so I can haul it over to the where the pigs are.
Yeah.
But it's pretty simple build. It truly is. So if anybody has any questions on how I built it, I was gonna video me building it, and then I got carried away and just got it done. So basically this hog panel here is 4 foot long, and I got 2x4s on each side sandwiching it together, and then on the bottom I have it, and these side ones are 6 foot long, and then I got it the same way. So yeah, then I just got everything screwed together, so it's pretty sturdy. If it was on the floor or ground, I'd show you how sturdy it is. Pretty stout. So right now I'm gonna try to get it over there. But when it was sitting on the ground, it actually is pretty strong.
The piggies are out. Just watch.
I figure they are. I'll take them down below and throw some corn out. Then I'll shut the gate so they can't come up to me. Don't touch it with your nose. It'll burn you. It'll bite you. Come on. Now it's off.
Yep, don't hear it.
I don't want that yellow string biting me.
No.
The way they squall.
That hurt. They definitely rooted that up.
Oh yeah.
Jeez.
That's all right though. So when I back the trailer in, I'm gonna have to take this post here out so I can open up both pallets. I think I can probably weasel this through here. I hope.
Well,
I don't want to have to take that out right now. And yes, that's how I put it on there. So now, hopefully, I can weasel this in there. But it's pretty sturdy, as you can see. It's pretty stout.
Heck yeah.
Oh my God. There we go.
Got it through.
Got it through. Yes, it did.
Nice.
And I'll probably just set it right here, just like this for now. Yeah. Actually went pretty easy to get it in there. Easier than I thought it would have.
Yeah, I didn't know how it would go.
I didn't really know either. I was more worried about the nylon fence
Yeah.
than I was anything else. I didn't want to have to take it down. I thought it would stretch far enough, but I wasn't real sure. Pigs are kind of funny. If you've never raised them before, they don't like change. So we'll see how they react to that. It took several weeks just to get them to come back up here after I put this fence in. They wouldn't even come up for literally for weeks.
Yeah.
But now they're cool with it. It was touching there for a while. All right, if you would turn that fence back on, please.
You want to put their bucket of food in so that...
There ain't the food in there.
Well, no, but it'll be
It's
in
empty.
there. They can go in there to eat their tomatoes.
Eat your maters. You gonna
Eat
put your
the
maters in
maters.
there in the morning?
Yeah. Ready?
Whenever you are.
It's on.
What are you buttheads doing? Did you eat all your corn? Huh? Did you eat all your corn? Come on, you can come back out here now. You can come back out here now.
Hi, guys.
See how they react? They're kind of weird about it. They're like, what the heck is this?
I wonder if I get a scoop of corn and put in the bucket.
I don't know, maybe. Maybe grab a scoop of feed, the regular feed, and put in there. Huh. You gonna touch the cord? I'm in here with you, dude. Don't touch that fence.
Yeah.
So they're scared of it. They don't like it. Don't touch the yellow string, it'll bite you. The yellow string will bite you. It'll get you. Here, give me. Got it.
There they go.
That wasn't too bad.
No.
Wasn't bad at all. They were pretty skittish until they seen food. And these fat hogs are motivated by food, that's for sure. There's room for both of you in there. You ain't got a hog at all.
Yeah, now I'm wondering if to take the bucket out so that we can bring their food all the way up when I feed them tomorrow.
It probably wouldn't hurt.
Yeah. That way they know it's okay to come all the way up in.
This evening when I fed them their afternoon meal, I actually dumped it just like that, but I kept it on the outside of the fence to see what they would do. They wouldn't go after it.
Really?
They wouldn't touch that yellow wire.
Huh?
They don't like it. They'll be a little bit though. They're better at it than I thought they'd be though.
Oh, yeah.
I really thought it would take longer than that to get them into it.
They was definitely skittish.
Oh, they were skittish
when
big time.
they came up.
So we'll do this for about a week. Then in about a week, I'll do the same thing, except for I'll back my trailer in here, mount this to the top of it, and then feed them in it from that point on. You can't keep taking the whole area, ding dong. Your brother needs something too.
But he's bigger than me. I need the food, not him.
Maybe we'll feed their tomatoes outside and let them keep eating their grain inside.
Yeah. What do you guys think?
Got sap on one of them boards. My hand's all sticky.
They definitely got this area worked up.
Oh yeah, they do.
It don't take them long.
No. One thing since we've been up here though, it's been pretty dry. It ain't turned to mud.
Yeah.
Which is good. Many tomatoes as they eat, you'll be able to find out where they poop too whenever they're gone.
Is he talking about you?
Yeah, I'm talking about you. If we grow pigs next year, they'll be in the woods down below here. We'll keep either this area here or the area down below to train them in with the wire, and then we'll put them in the woods. So then we'll rotate them through the woods if we get pigs next year. We'll see once. If anybody has any questions on this, let me know, and I'll answer all the questions you have. It's a pretty simple build. Like I said, these are 6 foot long, and this one here is 4 foot long. I need to make a gate, but I didn't want to put a gate on it to begin with because I want to make sure I can get them in and out of it without the gate, which there's plenty of room in here, which I knew there would be. But I didn't want them breaking the gate off. I think the gate that I have right there will work on this. I'll have to modify it a little bit, but I think it'll work. But
we're only taking them a couple minutes up the road.
It's only probably 2 miles from here.
Yeah.
Maybe 3.
What do you guys think? Huh?
You don't like freezer camp?
You look like you haven't been fed all day.
Yeah. Yeah, they got their morning food. Then this afternoon I gave them tomatoes and some corn from the garden, stalks and all. And then I fed them their afternoon meal, and I just give them just a little bit there just to see if they can get them in here. Yeah, they're a bunch of dang hogs. Aren't you?
So far, so good.
Bunch of ding-dang hogs, ain't you? Solid muscle.
They're definitely not lazy pigs.
No, they're not. Neither one of them are. This one here was behind a good bit. He still ain't as wide, but he's almost as tall.
Yeah.
But he's not quite as broad in the shoulders. So that right there is going to be a pretty good pork butt. I'm going to smoke you. Yep, right there. I'm going to put that in the smoker. Then we'll put those ribs in the smoker too. Yes, I am.
Good boys.
I'm going to slice those hams up. Yep, at least one of them. And they're going to eat all that bacon. All that bacon.
See, mine's empty.
It is.
I can't even get to it. Tell him to move.
He won't shove him out of the way.
He won't.
The bigger one never does. The littler one bullies him around.
That was
Now
funny.
he's all the way in there now. Cool.
Yep. He didn't like
He
it
didn't
too
like
much.
being in there like that.
Yep.
Didn't like that, did you, buddy? No. You can't get in there from here. Don't touch the yellow wire. It'll bite you. You act like you're starving, mister. You ain't that dang hungry. No, you ain't that hungry.
I wouldn't touch it. You can't come as far now. Don't even. Oh, this is gonna be bad.
They're fine, babe. They ain't going nowhere.
I didn't think they could go over on that side. I thought that was gonna be.
No, they're fine. They was probably tight around there for them, but yeah, they're all right.
Yeah.
Actually, I think I'll move that just a little bit. Watch out, butthead. Watch out, butthead. There. I don't like something like that. You spooked me, dum-dum. You spooked me. Now I got dirty pig nose on my back of my leg.
So I'm going up in. There's food in here. I think the other one needed a drink.
No, he's down there rooting.
Oh.
Where you threw the corn out at.
See ya.
They're done.
They just hop right over that piece down
Yeah,
there.
they do. But they seem to go in it easier than I thought they would. I didn't think they'd go in there that easy, but good for them. So, anyways, this is what we're going to transport them in. And next year, if we get pigs, we can put them in here when they're little to bring them home in. So, we won't have to put them in a dog kennel like we did this year.
Yep.
But just put them right in this. That'll work out perfectly.
Yep.
Anyways, that's going to wrap this up. So if you got any questions, comments, let them down below. Tell me what I did wrong. I'm sure I did something wrong. But whatever it is, let me know.
It looks good.
I think it's going to work all right for what it's going to do. Yeah. Anyways, that'll wrap it up. Till we meet again. Take care and God bless.
See ya.